Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Pallavi Kher, your manifestation coach. And today you are going to know what is that one factor which is stopping the flow of money into your life. How many of you feel that even after working too hard, there is some force which is blocking money coming into my life? Have you ever felt it? There was a time when I was continuously going through that feeling. So I can understand you. आप में से कितने लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि जब भी कोई सफलता या कोई अच्छी चीज आपके जीवन में प्रवेश करना चाहती है, तभी ऐसा कुछ हो जाता है कि वो रुक जाता है? या फिर अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि जब भी कुछ फायदा होता है, तो तुरंत आपके अंदर कुछ खुशी आती है और उसके बाद तुरंत एक डाउट आता है कि डू आई रियली डिजर्व इट? क्या मैं इसके योग्य हूँ? क्या मैं इसके लायक हूँ? तो ये जो छोटी आवाज़ है, ये जो आपका सेल्फ बिलीफ कम करती है, इसे कहते हैं सेल्फ डाउट। और यही सेल्फ डाउट है जो आपको बार-बार खुद पे और खुद के गोल पर विश्वास करने से रोकती है। इफ यू एग्री विद मी, देन टाइप एग्री इन द चैट बॉक्स so that I know that you resonate with this thinking and you have also gone through that. Self doubt is our biggest enemy because self doubt is that one big factor which stops us from believing in ourselves, in our capabilities to achieve that particular goal. So, that voice, oh, that goal, acha, earning X amount of money or having that beautiful and fit body. But will you be able to do that? Remember last time you had tried and you had failed miserably. So, not again, not again, Pallavi. Don't go and try it. I tell you, this is not a good place for you, and maybe it is not made for you. So, will I be able to achieve it? I don't think so. Let me just postpone it for some other day. Right now, I'm not ready for it. Maybe after some days, I will prepare myself and go ahead with this. I don't think that I deserve this because I'm not good enough. क्या आपने भी इस तरह से क्वेश्चंस को सुना है? हैव यू ऑल्सो heard about these questions that are coming from, I don't know where, from your head or from within you? And these questions are constantly testing whether you are good enough or not. And sometimes when success comes, again this voice says, maybe it's a fluke, it is just a coincidence, otherwise this was not meant for me, it was so easy. I don't think that success comes so easy for me. So maybe someone else deserves it more than me. But then I have it. Let me see. And then many times when people go through such kind of thought patterns, they cannot handle their successes. They cannot handle that flow of abundance into their lives. And this is also observed that when you are continuously in self doubt and you don't believe, you don't trust that arrival of abundance into your life, very soon such kind of people lose that wealth or lose that health or lose that happiness in their life. And this self doubt is the biggest block in the manifestation of money area or in the manifestation of any goal, health, wealth, or relationship. Because if you feel that you don't deserve it, if you continuously keep on doubting yourself, then this becomes a habit. This becomes a pattern of thinking. And this pattern of thinking arises every time you think about your goal, every time you think about your dream. But then today you are going to get a beautiful solution. And for that, we need to do some reality check, right? अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे शायद बुखार आने जैसा लगता है, तो आप क्या करते हो? आप डॉक्टर के पास जाते हो एंड देन ही डज डायग्नोसिस, इन्वेस्टिगेशंस और उसके बाद ट्रीटमेंट प्लान बनता है, करेक्ट? सो हियर वी आर गोइंग टू डू सच काइंड ऑफ रियलिटी चेक। तो रियलिटी चेक जो है, उसके लिए सबसे पहले आपको कुछ फैक्ट्स पता होने चाहिए। तो सबसे नंबर वन फैक्ट जो आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ों का आंसर दे देगा और आपने देखा भी होगा, महसूस भी किया होगा, लेकिन फिर भी आपको पता नहीं है कि वो फैक्ट है। द रियलिटी इज दैट पीपल आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन यू। Yes, people are not interested in you. They are interested in themselves and they are busy thinking about their struggles. They are busy thinking about achieving their goals. They are busy about their own likings, dislikings, and they are also busy dealing with that inner voice in their head. They are busy with their struggles. And Somewhere we think as if सबकी नजरें मुझ पे तो नहीं है. What will people think about me? And what will they know? What if they know about this part of me? What if they know about my failure? What will they think if I try this and I fail and I don't become successful? What will they think about me? The reality is that people are not thinking about you. Their focus is not upon you. It is you and that voice in your head which makes you think and believe that people are interested in you or they are thinking about you. If you can absorb this one point, it will solve most of the problems in your life. Because log kya kahenge, what will people think about me, has crushed many more dreams than any particular real life situation, right? And this is nothing but your self doubt that is talking to you. Number two fact is that this is just a thought. Self doubt or imposter syndrome, this is just a thought. You might be thinking that, but this is real. Yeah, you feel that it is real because it stays. And it stays when you listen to it. And you listen to it because you focus upon it. So when you keep on thinking about that self doubt, about those thoughts which stop you from believing in yourself and from they stop you from achieving your goals, you go in that particular pattern of thinking and you freeze. The more you focus upon a particular thing, that thing grows. Energy flows where attention goes. And when your attention goes to that particular thinking or pattern, it starts multiplying into your life. It starts showing into your real life situations. Correct? But then the reality, that means the fact is that it stays if you listen to it, right? But what if you don't listen to it? It will leave you. That means it will not be present. Imagine that situation. If this self doubt is not present in your life, what will your life look like? And what kind of actions will you be able to take? And what will happen if you achieve that goal? What feeling and emotion will you be feeling then? Isn't it great, right? But then the main block is self doubt. So now today you're going to get three action steps. Three action steps. Are you ready for these action steps? Okay, great. If you are excited, then here these action steps are. Number one is when you take action, when you take real action towards your goal every day. If you take just one small action towards your goal consistently for days and weeks and months, then you explore this syndrome, you explore this pattern, you just dissolve this pattern in your powerful energy. It doesn't exist then, because when you take action, you kill it, you break it, and you just dominate that self doubt so much that you outwork. And how you do that? By taking action. Very simple. All the talk, all the motivation, all those beautiful speeches will go out of the window when this thought pattern will start playing into your head. And the only way to beat it is to just take action without thinking. If you feel that this is the right action towards my goal, then just go for it. Number two is, if you have a choice, then you can choose to focus and dwell on the victories that you have accomplished. So, self doubt comes when you are thinking about failures, when you feel that whether you will be able to achieve that goal or not. So, this one choice of dwelling on the past victories, when you had surprised yourself, when you had did it, when you had done it right. So, there are many instances in everyone's life when we felt like winners, right? It was a victory. It was a situation where you cracked it. So, think about it and dwell on it. And when you keep on taking actions and creating, means a new thinking pattern by dwelling on uh, your past victories, then this third solution, number three, you create new beliefs. You create a new belief: I can. And this new belief, I can, will outwork your self doubt of whether I will be able to do or not, or I cannot. So how many of you are going to implement these three action steps? You're born to be free. And what is this freedom about? The freedom is from your self doubt. The freedom is from the stories that you play in your head, which are not the reality. So when you stop focusing on these stories which go against you, you become free to achieve your goals. And you are a rock star. You are an action taker. So today, your work is to take that one action step. Write down in the chat box what your goal is and what action you're going to take today to beat this self doubt. And don't worry, I am here to walk with you on this path of manifestation. And we are going to kill this biggest block of manifestation, and that is self doubt. So, here, Dr. Pallavi here signing off. I am your manifestation coach. And if you feel that I need some more help, I'm there to support you. You can just write down in the chat box, I need help, or you can DM me on Messenger, find me out on Facebook, because then we can have just a small, beautiful, casual talk, and you will be able to see your life in a new light. So, see you there. Till then, take care and bye bye. See you in the next training. Till then, keep smiling, keep shining. Because when you change your mind, you change your world. Take care and bye bye.